So Shikada is saluting the darling children of Mother Existence who are here. This is the fact, if we are progressing only in one direction, for example, only in the material direction, and we are forgetting everything about the inner progress, this will lead into conflict in the nature and also in the human life. So this conflict is creating problem today everywhere. And today we are passing through a very special time, an extraordinary time. So the grand force of the existence is asking for the real progress of our mind or our consciousness. And we are not aware about that. And that is bringing conflict. So what Shikara says, the only solution to all existing problems of human life is to know that the great time is asking all of us to transform, to change, to progress. So we are considering the real progress, or otherwise we can call the integral progress of life. So that is the essential issue. And to understand this, let us consider something very basic. So, in this dull consciousness, we lived for billions of years, then gradually progressed into the next stage. So, from the animal stage, the next progress is to the human stage, to the human mind, to the human consciousness. So, when these changes take place, our thinking, our attitudes, our words, our actions, our relationship, everything changes. So, at the basic level, we live like animals with dull consciousness and then progress into the human level. So, what is the quality of human life? Then we have more thinking power, we have more desire about higher things, we are thinking about family, welfare of family, society, welfare of society, nation, progress of nation, and we are thinking about the entire world, nature. So this is the growth that is taking place at the human level. But human progress is not finished with this level. There are still higher levels of living. So the next level we can call it as the higher human life. So from the human life we have to enter into the higher human life. So at the higher human life we can see that our consciousness is expanding, our heart is expanding, so our knowledge is expanding. So now we have more joy, more connection, and all our abilities, everything is increasing. So this is the next higher stage of living. And not finished. Then we have to enter into the final stage of flowering, that what we call the divine life, the divine consciousness. Then we can see that and human beings is becoming a divine being. You know, when the sun is rising, the darkness is going away. In the same way, when this knowledge or when this growth flowers in us, we can see that all darkness of the soul is going away, of the mind is going away, of the body is going away, and we live as a complete phenomenon of divinity. So this is the scope of human life. So human life has to progress during these higher stages and the final flowering of our life, of our mind, of our energies, of our consciousness. And with this knowledge and with this light, we should be able to live on this earth. So then we are able to create a new world of light, of love, of peace, of consciousness, of a good family life, a society, nation. For that we require this growth. If this growth is not taking place at the human plane, we will never be able to create such a best world, good world on earth. So that is why in the beginning it is told human beings are the noblest in creation. So this great power and benediction is given only to human beings among creation.